got a GoPro?
If you're into this style content, a weird girl in her vintage bike, click subscribe. Let's go get some coffee with my fairy godmother, my auntie. The good thing about a bad hair day on a motorcycle, gets covered in a helmet anyway. Alright, I had to start her with the choke. It's kind of chilly. It's gonna be a warm day, but still kind of chilly, even in the sun right now. I just did like a walk around. She looks good. Grass is a little wet, so now my tires are a little wet. Gonna be careful about that. But I'm good. We're good to go. Let's go meet Auntie. So I've been trying to figure out exactly how many miles I can go on a full tank of gas, and I'm thinking this is about as far as I can get. So 54 miles, 54.4. So I'm probably gonna call it safe around 50. When I was just in the house, I heard it stall. I came out and started it again, so to keep it warm, but I heard it stall. So I'm thinking we're running out of gas here, which is fine. We installed this manual petcock a few weeks ago, made a video about it. So I'm just gonna switch it to reserve to be safe and go a couple miles to the gas station, fill her up, and then I'm gonna be on my way.
I'm like, where is she? Isn't there a whole spot with that thing?
Yeah. There's no other options. I guess I could go up there, but that's scary.
I'm joking. I'm joking. You have to.
I know. And I gotta put it out here so somebody doesn't try and pull in and not see it, you know? because I've done that before in my car.
Is there a law with motorcycles that you have to?
Not really. Well, just like...
I didn't know, for parking it was like, this is so cool. Oh my God, as soon as I saw her right, I'm like, there she is. I did not expect her on the... You got a GoPro?
Yeah. It's rolling.
It's rolling right now?
Yeah. This is my auntie.
Hi everybody! This is my girl on her bike.
We did this with Justin's dad. I designed it and he painted it.
Wow. Gee, you might have found a little side
I
job.
know, wouldn't that be cool?
Yeah. I had a client, this guy, I forget his name, but he came in once, but he does bikes. Oh my God, the artwork he does.
Ooh, I would love to see
Airbrushing
that.
paint and stuff like
Yeah.
that, like the really cool flames and just like some skull things, just like a lot of...
Yeah.
Pretty Auntie, he's been doing it for years. That's what he does for a living. He's been doing it for years. He's an artist.
So cool. We've been telling Justin's dad he should do it.
Oh yeah.
Because he could make a good living off of that.
I mean, this looks perfect. Oh, the green and the yellow. All right. Well, you be careful. Please text me when you get home, okay?
I will.
Thank you for meeting me.
Yeah, thank you, Auntie.
Of course.
I love you.
I love you too. Love you too. Go slow.
Yes, go slow.
Okay. I trust you. I'm not even worried about you. All right. I'll let you go.
Okay, I love
Be
you,
careful.
Auntie.
I love you. Be careful.
Okay.
I know. It's my niece. I'm like, she's smart. I'm not worried about her. Yeah, it's the other lunatic.
Exactly. It's everyone else.
Exactly. Yeah. All us moms are like, yeah, it's everybody else. Yeah. It's not you because you're perfect. So. All right, sweetheart. Text
Okay.
me.
Bye, Auntie. Back home. Hey!
Want to get these bongos coming out to you?
I'm ready!
Ready?
Hi! 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 Michael, good! Good, good! Hi! Did you miss me? Did you miss me? Okay, go back in!
What, booty?
That's my welcome committee. You got to meet my Auntie Sharon. You got to meet my fairy godmother. I'm all caffeinated, ready for the day. I have to pee so bad. If you're into this style content, a weird girl in her vintage bike, click subscribe.
Yeah, enjoy the ride.
Thank you.
Enjoy the ride. The air. Just relax, breathe.